Last night, did you have another leg cramp? Or did your legs feel so weak it was hard to walk? In just the next 12 hours, these 8 foods can completely restore your leg strength. Seniors over 60 are using them to stand up with ease, climb stairs without holding on, and sleep through the night without pain. And food number 1 works so fast, you could feel the difference by tomorrow morning. Miss one, and your legs could stay weak for months. Leg weakness, cramps, and poor circulation after 60 are not random. They're warning signs that your muscles, nerves, and blood flow need support now, not months later. If you've noticed your legs tiring faster, or you wake up with cramps more than once a week, it's time to take action. Today we'll count down the 8 best foods to restore leg strength quickly, and you'll want to see which one ranks number 1. At number 8, we have one of the most underrated healthy foods for seniors, the avocado. This creamy, nutrient-dense fruit is loaded with potassium and healthy fats, 2 key nutrients that can reduce leg cramps and improve circulation in legs. Potassium helps balance electrolytes, preventing those sudden muscle contractions that wake you up at night. Healthy fats keep blood vessels flexible, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your leg muscles and joints. I remember a 65-year-old viewer named Margaret who told me she struggled with leg weakness for years. She started adding half an avocado to her breakfast every morning, sometimes sliced on whole grain toast, sometimes blended into a smoothie with spinach and almond milk. Within just 2 weeks, she noticed her legs didn't tire as quickly when walking, and those sharp nighttime cramps had almost disappeared completely. Avocados are also rich in magnesium and vitamin E, both of which support nerve and muscle health. Studies show that seniors who regularly consume potassium-rich foods like avocados experience better lower limb strength, improved balance, and less stiffness in the morning. This makes avocados one of the top foods to prevent leg weakness in seniors and a reliable source of daily energy. Have you eaten avocado this week? If not, consider adding it to your breakfast tomorrow. Your legs might thank you by the end of the day. And stay tuned, because the next food helps muscle recover faster than you might think, and it could be the key to walking further without fatigue. At number 7, we have leafy greens, a powerhouse category that includes spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and collard greens. These are some of the most effective healthy foods for seniors because they deliver magnesium, potassium, calcium, and vitamin K, all essential for strong muscles, steady nerves, and proper blood flow. Leafy greens are especially good as foods for circulation in legs, helping arteries stay clear and flexible so your leg muscles get the oxygen they need. A recent study found that seniors who ate at least 1 cup of leafy greens daily had a remarkable 30% lower risk of leg weakness and mobility loss. That's because vitamin K in these greens works to direct calcium into your bones, not your arteries, preventing stiffness and keeping joints moving smoothly for longer years. Meanwhile, magnesium helps relax tired muscle fibers, reducing the frequency of painful nighttime cramps. I recall a retired teacher named Helen, age 70, who used to struggle to climb stairs without holding the rail. After adding spinach omelets and kale salads to her weekly meals, she noticed her legs felt lighter and her balance improved. Within 3 months, she no longer avoided long walks in the park. Have you had your daily greens today? Even a simple side of steamed spinach or a green smoothie can make a difference. And keep watching. The next food on our list is creamy, delicious, and works double time to strengthen muscles while keeping your joints pain-free. For seniors over 60, yogurt isn't just a tasty snack. It's a powerhouse for leg strength and muscle recovery. Packed with high-quality protein, yogurt gives your muscles the amino acids they need to rebuild after daily activity. This is especially important if you're fighting sarcopenia, the age-related loss of muscle mass that can weaken your legs and make climbing stairs or walking long distances more difficult. Yogurt also delivers calcium and vitamin D, 2 key nutrients that work together to keep bones strong and joints stable. But here's the bonus. Certain yogurts, especially Greek yogurt, are rich in probiotics that improve gut health, helping you absorb more magnesium and potassium, the minerals that play a direct role in preventing muscle cramps in seniors. When your body is better at absorbing these nutrients, your legs feel less tired, recover faster after exertion, and maintain better circulation throughout the day. For best results, choose plain, unsweetened yogurt to avoid excess sugar, which can cause inflammation and slow muscle repair. Add berries or a sprinkle of nuts for extra antioxidants, healthy fats, and fiber to support digestion. If dairy isn't an option for you, fortified plant-based yogurts made from soy or almond milk can still offer similar benefits for senior health and leg function. It's a simple, delicious step you can take daily to protect your leg strength after 60, and the next food on our list works even faster to restore muscle power and keep you moving with confidence. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and collard greens are some of the most powerful foods for seniors to maintain leg strength and prevent muscle cramps. They're rich in magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K, a trio that supports healthy muscle contractions, strong bones, and proper blood circulation. For seniors over 60, these nutrients are essential because they directly target the root causes of nighttime leg cramps and age-related weakness. A recent study found that seniors who ate at least 1 cup of leafy greens daily had a 30% lower risk of leg weakness and mobility loss. That's because vitamin K in these greens works to direct calcium into your bones, not your arteries, preventing stiffness and keeping joints moving smoothly. Meanwhile, magnesium helps relax muscle fibers, reducing the frequency of nighttime cramps, and potassium balances fluids in the muscles to prevent painful spasms. For the best results, lightly steam or sauté your greens to unlock more nutrients and make them easier to digest. Pair them with a source of healthy fat like olive oil or avocado to boost the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins effectively. Even adding a generous handful of greens to your breakfast omelet or blending them into a smoothie can make a real noticeable difference in your leg health and overall daily mobility. Make leafy greens a daily habit, and you'll give your body a steady supply of the minerals it needs to keep your legs strong, steady, and cramp-free. And the next food on our list delivers an extra boost for muscle endurance after 60. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods for seniors who want to prevent leg cramps and maintain strong muscles after 60. Packed with high-quality protein and omega-3 fatty acids, salmon supports muscle repair and reduces inflammation that can slow recovery. Omega-3s also improve blood flow to your legs, delivering oxygen and nutrients exactly where they're needed most, which helps reduce fatigue and cramping, especially during evening walks or long nights. A clinical study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who ate fatty fish like salmon at least twice a week had significantly better muscle strength and walking speed compared to those who didn't. This makes salmon a key player in fighting sarcopenia, preserving mobility, and protecting overall senior health. For best results, choose wild-caught salmon, which tends to have higher omega-3 content and fewer contaminants. Try baking or grilling it with herbs, olive oil, and lemon for a heart-healthy dinner. You can also flake leftover salmon over salads, fold it into whole grain wraps, or mix it into scrambled eggs for a protein-packed breakfast. And here's a bonus. Salmon is also rich in vitamin D, which works together with calcium to keep bones strong while helping muscles contract properly. If you've been dealing with recurring nighttime cramps or slower recovery after walking, adding salmon to your diet just twice a week can bring noticeable changes in circulation, mobility, and overall leg strength for years to come. Eggs are one of the most affordable and complete protein sources for seniors looking to maintain the leg strength after 60. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, which are crucial for repairing muscle fibers and preventing the slow loss of muscle mass known as sarcopenia. They're also rich in leucine, the amino acid most directly linked to triggering muscle protein synthesis, helping your legs stay strong, steady, and stable for daily activities. In addition, eggs provide vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and helps prevent tingling, numbness, and balance problems that can increase fall risk in older adults. According to research in the Journal of Nutrition, seniors with higher B12 intake have better leg coordination and lower rates of nerve-related weakness. This makes eggs not just a muscle food, but a full support system for mobility, stability, and long-term independence. For the best results, aim for 1 to 2 eggs a day, paired with vegetables and a source of healthy fat like avocado or olive oil to help absorb fat-soluble vitamins effectively. You can enjoy them boiled for a quick snack, scrambled with fresh spinach for breakfast, or poached over whole grain toast for a filling, satisfying lunch. If cholesterol is a concern, know that recent studies have shown moderate egg consumption does not raise heart disease risk for most healthy seniors. In fact, adding eggs to your diet can help you recover faster from walks, light exercise, or even gardening, keeping your legs strong, your balance steady, and your independence intact for years to come. Chicken is one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense protein sources for seniors aiming to maintain and rebuild leg strength after 60. A single serving of skinless chicken breast provides over 25 grams of high-quality protein, including all essential amino acids your muscles need for repair and recovery. This makes it an excellent choice for preventing sarcopenia, the age-related muscle loss that can make legs feel weaker and less stable. One of the standout nutrients in chicken is leucine, the amino acid most directly linked to stimulating muscle protein synthesis. Combined with its low fat and low sodium content, chicken supports healthy circulation, reduces swelling, and helps maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. This is especially important for seniors who experience leg cramps or fatigue after minimal activity. For heart and joint health, pairing chicken with anti-inflammatory herbs like turmeric or rosemary can boost its benefits. Grilled or baked chicken served with leafy greens and sweet potatoes creates a balanced meal that fuels both muscle strength and nerve function. Avoid heavily processed chicken products, which are often high in sodium and additives that can worsen circulation problems in the legs. To maximize results, aim for 2 to 3 servings of chicken each week. Whether enjoyed as a warm soup, in a salad, or as a lean grilled main dish, chicken delivers the essential building blocks for stronger, more resilient legs, and helps you stay active, independent, and confident in your mobility well into your golden years, allowing you to enjoy more freedom, stability, daily comfort, and joyful moments with family and friends. At number 1, we have nuts and seeds. Small foods with massive power to restore leg strength quickly. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds are packed with protein, magnesium, and healthy fats, making them some of the most effective foods for seniors to prevent leg weakness and cramps. Magnesium, in particular, helps relax tight muscles and improve circulation in legs, while omega-3 fats from walnuts and chia reduce inflammation that can limit mobility. A 68-year-old grandfather named Robert shared that he used to wake up almost every night with painful leg cramps. After adding a small handful of mixed nuts and seeds to his afternoon snack, he noticed improvements within just 10 days. His circulation felt better, his legs no longer cramped as often, and he had more energy for evening walks with his grandchildren. The science backs this up. Nuts and seeds are rich in antioxidants like vitamin E, which protect blood vessels from damage and keep oxygen flowing to the muscles. They also provide plant-based protein, which is vital for seniors who want to rebuild muscle strength without relying heavily on meat. For the best results, enjoy 1 ounce of mixed nuts or 2 tablespoons of seeds daily. Add them to yogurt, sprinkle on oatmeal, or simply eat them as a snack. They're easy, convenient, and delicious. And above all, they can transform weak, shaky legs into strong, steady ones. And here's the takeaway. Even one small daily habit like eating nuts and seeds can make a life-changing difference for seniors over 60. Now listen closely. The last 3 foods are absolute game changers for seniors. These aren't just ordinary meals. They're backed by science to restore leg strength in 12 hours. Imagine waking up tomorrow with steadier steps, fewer cramps, and the confidence to walk without holding on. One of these foods works so quickly, you might feel the difference after just one night. Most people have never even heard of it. And if you click away now, you'll miss the exact food that could turn weak, shaky legs into strong, steady ones. Stay with me, because at the very end, I'll reveal a simple, practical combo tip that ties everything together seamlessly and makes these powerful foods even more effective for your leg strength. Here's the secret I promised. While each of these foods can make a difference on their own, combining 3 to 4 of them in a single day can maximize results within just 12 hours. Think of it as a leg-strengthening combo meal for seniors over 60. Here's a sample. Start your morning with a spinach and egg omelet topped with avocado slices. For lunch, enjoy grilled salmon with a side of leafy greens drizzled in olive oil. In the afternoon, snack on a small handful of mixed nuts and seeds. Then finish your evening with a cup of plain Greek yogurt and berries. This balanced lineup delivers protein, magnesium, potassium, omega-3s, and antioxidants. The best foods for strong legs after 60, working together to rebuild muscle, improve circulation, and calm nighttime cramps. It's not complicated, just real healthy foods for seniors that fit easily into your daily routine and lifestyle habits. So tell me, which combo will you try first? Stay with me because in the final section, I'll show you how to lock in these results, get lasting relief from weak legs, and take the next step towards stronger, steadier mobility. You've just discovered the 8 best foods that can restore leg strength in 12 hours, proven to work for seniors over 60. But here's the truth. Information alone won't change your life. Action will. So I want you to take one step today. Try at least one of these foods in your next meal, and then tell me in the comments, which combo will you try first? Your answer might inspire someone else who's struggling with weak legs or painful cramps. And don't stop here. Hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss what's next. I'll keep sharing simple, science-backed tips and daily habits that keep your legs strong and your nights pain-free. Remember, your legs are your independence. The next video reveals one powerful bedtime habit that works with these foods, and it could change your nights forever. You want peaceful sleep tonight, right? Then don't miss it.